Meet Fusefy, your AI adoption partner. The Fusefy Agent Marketplace lets teams build and deploy custom AI agents for business, pre-vetted for security, compliance, and trust, using our industry-leading trustworthy AI framework. Pick ready-to-use agents or tailor your own, with transparent workflows, explainable decisions, and world-class governance built in from day one.
This is a data quality and anomaly detection agent with the following stages: raw data, preview, summary, statistics missing values, analysis, inconsistency checks, regression-based anomaly, detection regression, evaluation. You can drag and drop the file here, and the file must be in CSV format. The dataset will be added to the pre-processing and anomaly detection pipeline. After running the anomaly detection, the system will visualize the output data as an image.